Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Are you looking to take your Firestick streaming experience to the next level? In this video, we'll explore the top adult apps available on Firestick. These apps are tailored for mature audiences, offering premium entertainment, live TV, and even gaming options. Let's dive in. Before we begin, this video is intended for educational purposes only. Some apps may contain content suitable for adults 18 and over. Always ensure you're downloading apps responsibly and within the guidelines of your region. Segment 1. Best streaming apps for adults. First up, let's talk about streaming apps that offer premium content. These apps are perfect for movie enthusiasts and fans of exclusive TV shows. Netflix, a classic. Netflix offers an array of mature content, from gritty dramas to stand-up comedy specials. Just ensure your profile is set to unrestricted for full access. HBO Max. This app delivers top-notch adult series like Game of Thrones and Euphoria, along with blockbuster movies. Tubi. Tubi is free and includes a variety of adult-themed content, from thrillers to documentaries. Segment 2. Apps for live TV and sports. For those who love live TV and sports, here are some apps that'll keep you entertained. Sling TV. Sling TV offers customizable packages with channels like Showtime and ESPN. Fubo TV, perfect for sports fans. Fubo TV provides live coverage of major games and tournaments. Adult Swim. This app offers quirky, late-night entertainment and hilarious adult-themed cartoons. Segment 3. Niche apps for adult audiences. If you're into more specific content, these apps are worth checking out. Plex. Create your own streaming library with Plex. It's great for storing and watching adult-themed movies and shows. Kodi. Kodi is a highly customizable app that allows you to add add-ons for specialized content. Just be cautious when choosing third-party add-ons. Stremio. Stremio is a powerful app for organizing your streaming content, offering both official and third-party add-ons. Segment 4. How to install these apps. Here's a quick guide to installing these apps. Go to your Firestick's main menu and search for the app you want in the Amazon App Store. For apps not available in the store, use the Downloader app to sideload them. Always use a VPN to protect your privacy when sideloading apps. Segment 5. Essential tips for a better experience. To enhance your Firestick experience, keep these tips in mind. Use a reliable VPN to maintain your privacy. Regularly update your apps for the latest features. Clear your cache to keep your Firestick running smoothly. Conclusion. That wraps up our guide to the best Firestick apps for adults. Let us know in the comments which app you're excited to try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more Firestick tips and tricks. Happy streaming!